It is that time again. I am so excited. Bracket 2, B-roll Smackdown, Jay Lippman, and Steve Miller photo. Let's get right to it.
I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, world on my shoulder, heart full of blues. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt. I've been a real bad boy on the town all night. Starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt, down in the dirt, down in the dirt.
You'll never guess the places that I've been. You never guess the places that I've been. Cause everything is like a dream, yeah, but only in that dream that I live in. I'm never gonna let the day begin. Never gonna let the day begin. Cause everything is like a dream, yeah, but only in that dream that I live in. Oh, don't wake me up before you go, and I'll just make this bed my home. Oh, darling, please just let me sleep. Give me my dreams.
Now that was some epic B-roll, guys. I know that it's going to be tough to decide, so don't hesitate to watch this video as many times as it takes for you to decide who did the best job. Now don't forget, the theme for this month's B-roll was On the Trail. So in order to vote, and this is very easy, there is a circle with a little I right above the top right hand of your screen. And by I don't mean I mean the letter I. All you have to do is click on that. It will drop down your two options. You select the person who you think did the best B-roll. Now if you don't see the little I on your phone, you could just tap the screen while it's playing and the little I should pop up. On the computer, just click on the video while it's playing and the little I should pop up. Either way, that's how you vote. The announcement for the winners, the two people going to the finals, will happen on Sunday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I am so excited to see how this turns out. We have unbelievable competitors this month. Do me a big favor, guys. Go out there, find your adventure. Imagine your best B-roll. Have a great day, and I will see you guys real soon.